Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome in my channel Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet cuff bracelet ideas. So please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These crochet bracelet designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet cuff bracelet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique ideas. And these articles totally handmade. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of crochet cuff bracelets. You can design your bracelet with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet bracelet collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet articles. All these articles are very attractive, especially for girls and women. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me friends. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. You can see more beautiful and unique designs from my channel. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.